Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Follicular or proliferative phase of menstrual cycle. According to follicular and proliferative phase of menstrual cycle, it occurs from day 1 to day 14. So, first on day 1, follicular stimulating hormone will activate granulosa cells. The granulosa cells will release estrogen. Estrogen has negative feedback on follicle stimulating hormone, and estrogen also causes proliferation of endometrium, and estrogen also has positive feedback on luteinizing hormone, leading to LH surge. On day 14, because of this LH surge, there will be ovulation. Important points about the ovulation. Ovarian cycle is initiated by follicle stimulating hormone. The size of the follicle just before ovulation is 18 to 20 millimeters. For luteinizing hormone surge to occur, estrogen of 200 picogram should be present for 48 hours. Luteinizing hormone surge occurs around 24 to 36 hours before ovulation, and luteinizing peak occurs 10 to 12 hours before ovulation.
So luteinizing hormone surge will occur if this is ovulation. Luteinizing hormone surge will occur 32 to 36 hours before ovulation, whereas luteinizing peak will occur almost 10 to 12 hours before ovulation.
The time interval between the estrogen peak and the luteinizing hormone peak is 14 to 24 hours. Luteinizing
So this is estrogen peak, this is LH peak. The time between the estrogen peak and LH peak is around 14 to 20 hours, 24 hours, 14 to 24 hours. LH surge is initiated by estrogen mainly.
hormone surge is initiated by the estrogen. Luteinizing hormone surge is maintained by both estrogen and progesterone.
Luteinizing hormone surge is first initiated by estrogen. Even progesterone is important for luteinizing hormone surge, but mainly in the maintenance.
Before ovulation, there is both luteinizing hormone and follicular stimulating hormone surge. But ovulation occurs mainly due to luteinizing hormone surge only. Meiosis 1 is reduced. Meiosis 1 is resumed due to the luteinizing hormone surge. That is, meiosis 1 is resumed 32 to 36 hours before ovulation. Meiosis 1 is resumed 32 to 36 hours before ovulation.
thank you and thank you for watching.